Let's cross live now to our colleague Tumelo Machogo. Very good morning to you, Tumelo. What can we expect coming out from court today?
Well, indeed, Desiree, these two men, Philemon, Lukhele and Mduduzi, Gama, they're expected to apply for bail today. You remember that initially they did abandon their bail, but they did say that now they want to apply for bail. Their lawyers have told me before that they're saying that they did not want to apply for bail initially because of the huge interest that the case have caused here with the protests that we have seen with a number of EFF and also community members that have been coming to the court, also protesting. That's why they initially abandoned their case, but now there's their bail. But now they're saying that they want to come back and apply for bail, and because they've been in prison for a very long time now, they initially want to apply for bail. But you remember that the first accused in the matter, Sipho Mkhatshwa, did apply for bail. We understand that his bail has been postponed to Friday. Yesterday we did hear that apparently the three of them, they were conspiring to kill one of the witnesses. You remember that the state have two witnesses. Those two witnesses, allegedly, the police are telling us that allegedly the Sipho Mkhatshwa did confess to these two witnesses, and these two witnesses came to the police and informed the police about what Mkhatshwa has told them. So they are saying that when they were in police custody, they were conspiring, or the three of them, they were conspiring to kill one of the accused. So that's why now the police have added that conspiracy to commit murder in their charge sheet, bringing the charge to 5 charges that they are facing. The two men now are expected to appear this morning. They are expected to apply for bail. We understand that the state have been telling us that they are ready to continue with the trial, and they are saying that they are ready with the trial. But we did hear yesterday that they are still awaiting a ballistic report, cell phone records of Mkhatshwa, because Mkhatshwa has been saying that he was not in Mbombela at on that day when Hillary Gardee was kidnapped and initially found missing, and eventually found her lifeless body found on that R38 road leading towards Mashishing and Sabi, and also they're still waiting for the ballistic report, cell phone records, and also they're still waiting for more other investigation to conclude. But they're saying that they are ready with the to continue with their trial. They are ready to start with the trial. But we know that they on the 22nd of August they will be indicting these three men. They're saying that also they are ready. But the three men are saying that they want bail. They continue to saying that they are demanding bail. Mkhatshwa did bring in his wife, who was saying that, you know, since Mkhatshwa has been arrested, the family has been struggling and to put food on the table, because now he was working at Ekurhuleni and now he has eventually been fired there at Ekurhuleni. So now the family is saying that they are struggling financially and also emotionally, that the children are not coping very well. I think these two men now today, we're expected to hear from them. They were expected to take the stand in their defense, actually in their bid to apply for this bail hearing, Desiree.
So just based off what you're saying, we'll only find out around the 23rd of August if trial is ready to proceed.
Yes, indeed. That's what the state is saying, but they're saying that the cell phone record, they're just waiting because of the backlog in getting the cell phone records. They're saying that they're only waiting for about a month or two, then they will get those ballistic reports and also the cell phone records that they are still waiting for. So then they will be saying that they are ready to continue with the trial. But the state is saying that they are denying bail, because they are saying that if these three men, like rather the first man, who was applying for bail yesterday, saying that if he's released on bail, there are high likelihood that he will go and commit this murder that they have been conspiring in police custody. And apparently when they were conspiring in police custody, one of the inmates heard them and went to the police and informed the police, and their lawyers were allegedly present when these three men were actually conspiring to murder one of the witnesses. So the state yesterday did say that they want to oppose bail because because of the fact that they were already conspiring to kill one of the witnesses. And this witness is the strong witness. They're saying that there's two witnesses. They are actually they are the most important witnesses in this case, and then without them they don't have enough strong case, especially because he confessed to the two of them, and also some of the evidence that he has also given, especially Mkhatshwa, to the police when he was writing his statement. Some of them is actually corroborated by what he has told and what has the two witnesses have actually told the police when the police have interviewed him, when the police have interviewed these two witnesses. So the state is denying them bail. They're saying that they don't want them to get bail, because if they get bail, they will go to the witnesses, interfere with the case. So that's why they don't want them to they want them to get bail. But we're not sure about what's going to happen today, and what the tactic of the two lawyers for the two men, Lukhele and Gama, that is expected to appear today, what they will say to the court to ensure that they convince the court to grant them bail. But we know that the state is opposing bail in this matter.
Tumelo, Machogo, thank you so much for giving us that latest detail.